We'll guide you through how to add streak in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop. Once you find Chrome, hover your cursor over the Chrome shortcut and double-click it to launch the program. Give it a moment while Chrome finishes loading completely before trying to interact with the browser. After it opens, click the Google search bar, type Notion, and press Enter on your keyboard to search for it. From the search results, press the official Notion website, so you are taken to the correct page. When the website finishes loading, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Find and press the Open Notion button to access your workspace. Once your workspace opens, look toward the menu on the left side of the screen. Move your mouse downward through the available options until you find Marketplace, then click it once to continue. After entering the Marketplace, select the Templates option at the top of the page. Next, go to the search bar, click it once, type 𝗟𝗪𝗏, and wait for the matching templates to appear. Scroll down through the search results until you spot the streak counter. Track your progress template. When you find it, press it once to open its preview page. Look below the template title and click the blue Add button to add it to your workspace. Wait a moment while the new template loads completely into your Notion workspace. After it finishes loading, look at the center of the screen until you find the Streaks section. Click the Activity 1 title and rename it to the habit you want to track, such as drink water. Then locate the BTNS section directly below it and press the plus icon next to Activity 1 once. A logging prompt will appear on the screen, so press Continue to confirm the action. When everything is done correctly, you should now see the streak shown on the fire icon increase, meaning the process has been successful.